Hi everyone! Welcome back to the Daily Tagalog. Today, let's learn some common health phrases in Tagalog using the body parts you've already learned. Let's begin. To say that a body part of your body hurts, simply say, masakit ang. Then say the body part where you feel pain. Then add ko. This means that body part hurts. Now let's practice. Masakit ang ulo ko. Masakit ang mata ko. Masakit ang ilong ko. Masakit ang dibdib ko. Masakit ang tiyan ko. Masakit ang likod ko. Masakit ang tuhod ko. Masakit ang paa ko. Repeat after me. Masakit ang ulo ko. Masakit ang mata ko. Masakit ang tiyan ko. Masakit ang likod ko. Masakit ang tuhod ko. Masakit ang paa ko. Now it's your turn. How do you say, my head hurts? Masakit ang ulo ko. My stomach hurts. Masakit ang tiyan ko. My back hurts. Masakit ang likod ko. My knee hurts. Masakit ang tuhod ko. My foot hurts. Masakit ang paa ko. Great job! Remember this simple pattern. Just replace the body part to describe where you feel pain. If these phrases feel difficult at first, don't worry. Practice them repeatedly and come back to this lesson anytime you need a review. The more you practice, the more natural they'll become. That's it for today. Now you know how to talk about common body pain in Tagalog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you'd like to learn next. And if you want to learn more simple Tagalog, check out my other lessons too. Salamat, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.